Alrighty guys, I'm done. Alright guys, this one pretty much surprised me. It surpassed the normal time that, yes, we're talking about oil coolers. 3.6 Pentastar. This is a 2015 Challenger. Okay, this one went 190,000 miles without needing replaced. You know what's crazy? Here's the old one right here. Like no signs of the housing or anything like that leaking. You know, you don't see oil like in the center of the construction bill. All you see is flat ass seals. Okay, remember I told y'all the seals have been revised, and I guess they thicker, better seals. Anyway, this one actually went, or they just kept driving and didn't know it was leaking, because this was leaking bad. I think it's the latter. I think they drove a long time with an oil leak and simply didn't know it. This had oil. I don't know if y'all ever seen one. It's got the 8 HP transmission. Oil was soaked on top of the transmission, so I had to clean all of that off. I went through about 3 cans of brake cleaner after I'd done the top. Now that I'm done, there's still oil residual looking. It still look like oil down there, and I'm one of those guys that clean the hell out of my cars. All right, y'all know me. I don't play that. Dun-dun. That's right, guys. Y'all know where I'm headed, baby. All right, we gonna, especially down in here, I'm going to the pressure washer. All right, yeah, we're gonna get this car run like new. Damn it, it might as well look like new. I want all this squeaky freaking clean. We're done with this. Get out of here. All right, yeah, we want this whole freaking, I'm going to the detail department. They're gonna have to excuse me. I need y'all pressure washer. All right, we want this thing looking immaculate. Ooh, here's the cover. Let's get a little bit on that. All right, y'all, this is my prime focus right here. I do not want anybody, the next oil change guy, looking down there and say, yep, I need an oil cooler. That's a good way to get cussed out by the customer. Stop lying, I just had an oil cooler. Well, if the previous guy that did the oil cooler didn't clean it, it would look like this. Guys, let's go clean this thing up. Oh, alrighty guys, they got to move out of the way and let JT, the car guy, in here. I got some business to take care of, damn it. I run this place. Watch me just take over. I'm just playing, guys. Oh, hey, where is it at? Oh, we got it way over here. I'm about to get this thing cleaned up because my images at stake here. Okay, I'm not going out like Willie Lump and them. All right, I will not be getting no comeback over no nonsense foolishness like this. All right, first thing first, baby. Get her all cleaned up. Now, I know some of y'all will tend to think, oh, this is bad. Guys, I've been doing this at least 2 decades. Not gonna hurt a damn thing, okay? I know, back in the day, you wash a car, you was told to leave it running, do that, and everything, so it will not get moisture on the ignition wires. This car has no plug wires, all right? It's a coil-on plug design, and they a whole lot better insulated. Even at Tip'em, yes, that's a computer, but as you can see, it's covered up. So I'm just merely washing the cover. All right, I want this whole engine to look damn good. All right, it look like they got their money worth. Yeah, it's nothing like giving a customer their car back and it's all oily looking. Look at that. See that? Get down in there, baby. Yeah, when that dry up, it's gonna be pretty, baby, pretty. All right, guys, I'm done now. I'm just gonna go around the block test driving. Cause I did a tune-up, so if it's gonna run like new, might as well look like new. That's my motto. All right, I'm out. I gotta go. Thanks for watching.